Today, we have something really special to discuss: the 1935 UK 1 penny coin. This little beauty has quite a story to tell, so stick around as we dive into its history and explore its value in today's market. Now, if you're lucky enough to have one of these in your collection, you're in for a treat. The 1935 1 penny coin is considered quite rare, and its scarcity is attributed to a specific historical event. In 1935, King George V was on the throne, and the United Kingdom was going through a period of economic uncertainty. This was the same year that the country abandoned the gold standard, a move that had significant repercussions on currency circulation and, consequently, coin production. Due to the economic challenges of the time, the production of coins, including the 1 penny piece, was significantly reduced. As a result, the 1935 1 penny coin became a rarity, making it highly sought after. Now, let's take a closer look at the coin itself. The obverse features a portrait of King George V, designed by Sir Bertram McKennell. The reverse displays a seated Britannia, a classic design element often associated with British coinage. One interesting aspect of the 1935 1 penny coin is that it has a small size, measuring only 30.8 mm in diameter. The composition is bronze, a characteristic of many pre-decimal UK. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the value of the 1935 1 penny coin today. As with any collectible item, the value can vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. In general, though, these coins can fetch a pretty penny, pun intended, in the collector's market. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins or are thinking about adding it to your collection, be sure to consider factors like its condition. Coins in better condition tend to command higher prices. Additionally, if you have any documentation or historical context about the coin, that can also add to its appeal. And there you have it, folks, a brief dive into the history and value of the 1935 UK 1 penny coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more coin-related content, and let us know in the comments if you have any rare coins in your collection. Until next time, happy collecting